Welcome to Full Course Online. In this Excel beginner tutorial, we will adjust column width and row height. Sometimes text does not fit in a column and gets cut off. I want to increase the font size of the heading row. When I increase the font size, it does not fit into the cell. To fix this, move your mouse pointer to the right edge of the column header. When the cursor changes to a double arrow, click and drag to increase the width. Drag it left to make it narrower. Another way to adjust the column width is to move your mouse pointer to the right edge of the column header. When the cursor changes to a double arrow, double-click the right edge of the column header. Excel will automatically fit the width to match the longest text in the column. The same method works for rows. If I increase the font size, the rows automatically extend. But if you want to make a custom size, move your cursor to the bottom edge of the row header. Drag downward to increase row height, or upward to decrease it. You can also double-click the bottom edge of the row header to automatically fit the row height. To adjust the height of multiple rows at the same time, select all the desired row headers. Move your cursor to the bottom of one of the rows. When the cursor changes to a double arrow, double-click and all the rows will have the same height. You can do the same with columns. Select all the desired column headers. Move your cursor to the right edge of any column. When the cursor changes to a double arrow, drag it to the desired width and all the selected columns will adjust to the same width. For precise control, go to the Home tab. Click Format in the Cells group and choose Row Height. Type a number for the height you want and press OK. If you don't know the exact height, select Autofit Row Height. You can do the same for columns. Go to the Home tab, click Format in the Cells group, and choose Column Width. Type a number for the width you want and press OK. If you don't know the exact width, select Autofit Column Width. By adjusting columns and rows, you keep your worksheet clean and easy to read. Thanks for watching this tutorial from Full Course Online. If you are enjoying this Excel series, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons.